Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have here a quaint and charming home located on the north coast, just minutes from the beach. This home has a fantastic layout with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, plus an almost completed basement with 2 additional rooms, which is great for any family. Home is smack between the 2 major airports, minutes from the North Coast Highway, plus it's in close proximity to the city centers. The land area of this house is approximately 21,899 square feet. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 30 million or US $194,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.